Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right pelts and keeping them pristine. Aim for perfect or clean pelts. Quality changes the final clothing stats and appearance. Once done, skin the animal with a clean knife and immediately move the pelt to your horse or satchel so it won't degrade. Make sure to carry basic tools or route to the trapper early. These steps set the foundation because damaged pelts either lower output or block specific outfits entirely. Once you have preserved pelts, head to the trapper or fence to transform them into usable components. You'll choose a recipe. Trapper menus show required pelts and additional materials, so inspect each item carefully. Make sure to trade the exact combination. Mixing lower quality pelts yields different garments. Pay the fee or trade with rare parts when needed. This stage is the complex middle. You're converting raw resources into patterns, and decisions here determine style. You finish by buying or crafting the garment and equipping it from your wardrobe or horse. Make sure to inspect durability and special outfit slots. Some pieces stack into full outfits. Once equipped, test appearance and any gameplay bonuses. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Recheck pelt quality and the exact recipe. Most failures come from one incorrect material or a damaged pelt. If needed, revisit hunting for a fresh, perfect pelt and repeat the trapper combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.